Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today, I'm going to show you how I created this super cute, very soft, peachy toned look that you can wear pretty much every day because it's so easy and it looks so nice. Nothing dramatic. You don't have to wear fake eyelashes for this look to look complete. It looks so nice with your natural eyelashes. And I hope you like this look. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. I do upload in English and in Spanish every week. And give this video a big thumbs up, please, if you like this look. And now let's get started. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Born Exclusive eyeshadow palette. I'm going to grab this peachy toned eyeshadow inspirational with the BH Cosmetics brush. And since I didn't set the concealer, I'm going to apply this in tapping motions. I'm pressing this into my crease. You want to press it on so the concealer can really grab onto the eyeshadow, and you want the shade to look even all over your crease. So once I have that on my crease, I'm going to start blending it out, but I want to take off the excess powder from the brush because I'm going to be using the same one. And when you're blending it out, you don't want to have a lot of the product on the brush, but it does help to have a little bit of it. And I blend it out in circular motions, and it does help me a lot if I stretch my eyelids. I just lift my eyebrow a little bit. I do notice that it blends out a lot faster and easier if I do that, especially since I didn't set the concealer. And I'm going to go in with a second layer of the same eyeshadow using the same brush, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to go back and forth, applying it like a rainbow from corner to corner. And then the same thing, you take off the excess powder to keep blending the eyeshadow out. I'm just going to be blending it out until I like how the eyeshadow is looking. Then again, I'm going to grab my Covergirl concealer. This is just a lighter shade, and I'm going to apply this with the Real Techniques Detailer brush. I first apply some of it on the eyelid and then slowly start working on the edge, like the cut crease part. I do this in tapping motions very lightly because you don't want to mess up, and I start lower than where I want the concealer to be. That way, just if I want it a little bit higher, I just keep going up. But if you start too high and you don't like it, then it's going to be very hard to fix that. So that's an important thing for me. I just start low and then slowly start working my way up. And then you also just want to keep opening your eyes just to see that the concealer is showing when you have your eyes open and not just on your eyelid. You want it to go over your crease. Apply it on your hooded eye. Just create your own crease. And it just depends how big you want your eyelid or your eyes to look. For the edge, like the outer part of my eyelid and the crease, I like to blend it out using the same little brush. I just kind of like tap it or swipe it a little bit, but you want that part to be blended out so the eyeshadow that you put on top can also look nice and blended. Then from the same eyeshadow palette, I'm going to grab this lighter beige looking shade Individuality and apply this on top of the concealer. I'm pretty much setting the concealer with this eyeshadow, and it's really going to hold on to the eyelid. And since this isn't a shimmery eyeshadow, I'm using a semi-fluffy brush. Then I'm going to grab this darker shade from the LA Girl palette with the BH Cosmetics brush that I used in the beginning, and I'm going to apply this on the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm going to first just tap it on there and then take the excess powder off from the brush and then start blending it out because, like I said, you don't want to have a lot of the product on the brush when you're blending out eyeshadows. And I'm also going to apply this shade on the lower lash line using a smaller brush. So I'm just going to apply it on the outer corner and then slowly start blending it into the center of my lower lash line. And then don't forget to connect it on the outer corner with the eyeshadow on the top. And last but not least, for the eyeshadows, I'm going to grab this shimmery peachy tone eyeshadow from the Profusion eyeshadow palette. Just the LA Girl palette did not have a peachy toned shimmery eyeshadow for the inner corner. I just like to add a little shimmer to that part, so this step is obviously not necessary. Now I'm going to apply the Maybelline Great Lash mascara to my lower lashes. And the eyelashes I'm wearing are the Anastasia, I forgot the name, but I'll have all the products that I use in the description box below. But like I said, this look will also look so nice without fake eyelashes. You can just curl your lashes and apply some mascara, which, by the way, I definitely recommend this Maybelline mascara, but it looks so cute without fake eyelashes. But these fake eyelashes look so simple that I thought it goes so perfect with this look. But anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up if you did, and share it with your friends and your family. Let me know what other videos you want me to do in the description box below. I mean, in the comments below, like what colors or what type of look. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!